around.
You will.
Type shit. Who's with me?
So baby is at home.
Hello, Smith. So type shit. Yeah. Sorry.
We're outside giving auntie because like why are we outside when it's raining and it's cold?
I yawned 10 times.
And she got at me when I yawned first.
Okay, I
and
did.
then that nigga yawned 5 times after.
I yawned so crazy at home. I said, what are you?
But we're outside.
We made it.
We're gonna have a good time.
In hotels.
Friends in route.
So
we'll see
tonight.
We'll see.
We'll see what?
We'll see what it gives. We don't know none of the DJs.
Oh God! If it, I mean, all right. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna hope that one of the DJs asks so I can go home.
Same.
I'm gonna be honest.
Okay, we came to show face, support our friends.
You know, show face, be cute. Let them know she got a scar.
Right.
And go home, babe.
Right. We have things to do tomorrow.
I got things to do.
But we're outside.
Right. Oh, the light. Stop it. I'm not your friend.
You will.
I hate my life.
Every moment just now.
I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I want to do with you. I know that my guy been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one.
I got 100%. New York. Absolutely not. Okay. All right. Fine. What the I would break my neck. Real one's fights for me.
Oh my God.
Can we get much lower?
I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it now. I've been waiting, think I wanna make
things first. First things first.
Niggas still reaching for the camera.
Good morning to me. Whoa, that was a deep one. Good morning to me because I managed to take off my makeup drunk as fuck. I'm so used to having a night out and coming home drunk that I forget what it's like to come home a little smashed. I just didn't. Oh, I was on an album. I just did not feel like taking my makeup off. I was fully prepared to sleep with my makeup last night. Where the will of God was to fully do my makeup and wrap my hair, I don't know. I don't know where I got that great. Like, I literally don't know how I took my makeup off last night. But I woke up to my skinning. I still feel like a little like jet lag. I gotta leave. Go in the bathroom. I'm gonna have a Saturday morning clean up the apartment type of time. Cause there's crumbs, Ritz crackers. You know how my daughter left me yesterday. Like a madman. Ah, she grew. Mrs. Potato Head, Rubbles, Bolt, whatever that is, a dinosaur, whatever. Like, I really took off my makeup. That should not be, like, celebratory, but maybe it is. It's vitamin time. This company has closed down business because of lack of funding. Like, why would you choose the year I find you to close down? Feels a little suspicious to me. I think I'm gonna actually go check on my car. I parked a little close to the hydrant, so I need to go check on that. Clean. And I need to research how to do vlogmas. I need to edit. That's what I need to do. Maybe I'll go get a coffee, come home, make me an avocado toast with a couple of boiled eggs. Okay, yes, I had Wingstop. Judgy much? Okay, so boom. No ticket. I'm doing great, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, no tickets. I'm feeling fab about that. My car looks crazy though. Last night's drinks is in here. I should go to the Bronx and get a hand wash, but who wanna spend $8 going to the Bronx, right? So I'm just gonna switch out all the empties in my car. Whatever, put this in here. Gotta have a lighter. What else do I need? But my favorite hand Sandy, putting her in is this center console? I don't know what this is. Ooh, a quarter. But yeah, one of my mini hand lotions. Get the trash. Crumbs. Oh my God, no car seat. I forgot to tell you that Phoenix's Nana took the car seat from her this weekend, and look at this. Like, what? I haven't seen my car with no car seat since I purchased her. Like, I immediately had to put my car seat in, so seeing my car with no car seat is just like, oh my God, that's what a car would look like? That's so weird that you say that. Like, what do you mean? I think I'm about to smoke a cigarette. No, I'm gonna move my car. I was about to say, I'm not about to move my car. Let me tell you how last night I seen this Asian woman and she had a cigarette in her mouth. Like, she had something in her mouth, and I had my contacts on so I could see. Why she had my favorite cigarettes? I know that sounds crazy, but like, after I gave birth, I wasn't really smoking like that. But like, don't judge me, but I do got a favorite cigarette. I smoke like, the last time I had one, it was like August. But she had them. Oh my God, what is the name of these cigarettes? These are my favorite cigarettes. This skinny cigarette. I don't know why, it's my favorite. I'm about to go outside and smoke it? Question mark? Cause I'm not about to smoke it in my car. My car smells tight, decent, because it smells like Wingstop. All right, so this is what I think I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'ma smoke it. I got to. I bummed it from her last night. Like, I don't want to waste her generosity. That's crazy. Don't smoke. But I'm gonna smoke a cigarette outside right now. Who's with me? Who's with me is actually diabolical because nobody is with me, babe. Y'all like, you're actually on your fucking own. You actually need to call it therapy. I'm scared. You better not tell nobody but God.
Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he's smart, he gon' act like a fan. Think you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he's smart, he gon' act like a fan. Think you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. And I just fell in love with a gangster, so he put my name in the top. But I don't let him come to the crib, so we get it on where we at. Nowadays I be ducking them cameras, and they hype that I'm up on them banners. Calling my phone, but they know I don't answer. In the hood, I'm like Princess Diana. I'm big cause I be eating oats. Bitch not taking shit from me but notes. Wanna be me, so she threw my milk to my name in her mouth, so I bet she gon' choke. Tell her man I'm the girl of his dreams. Think about me when he brushing his teeth. He keeps texting, I leave him on scene. Hottest bitch out and they know what I mean. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he's smart, he gon' act like a fan. Think you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he's smart, he gon' act like a fan. Think you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass.
And you know, we all here because apparently there's another mascot that should run around the city. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Wait, Ton, look back.
Wow. Hey, it's time, happening. What's going on? Wait, I'm getting something in my ear. Somebody's going on here.
Priceless.
I know you've been wanting to show your talent, right? Wait, the talent better not be the shopping bag. I need you up here. He said play that teaser. He said play that. Okay, they didn't want to say. Oh, you want to show and tell? Oh, show and tell. I like that. Show and tell. I like show and tell. Yeah, open it so you can't reach that. Open it. Yeah. Is this the time? Deep and get the But we're not signing the next bag for free.
See myself in this one. I'm so happy to be Ain't go good. Yeah. New York City! Barbie! Make some noise! Cheer for Ellie!
I'm just gonna stay here and twirl. You guys
Put your back on the wall. 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 Put your back on the wall.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof. Load it up and do. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Just touch it, heavy wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip when you're sliding. Dip, baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it. Taking up a cake for you. Sweet baby, chicken when you bite it. We can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me you outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and stop me, baby. Fucking it up like oopsie daisy. Ain't no way for but some maze. Don't be let up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. Baby, ain't no hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot on and pay